Hi everyone, welcome to Gunpla. For today we're going to review the Universal Century High Grade number 034, the MS-06FS Zaku 2FS. This is the custom type for Garma Zabi. As you can see, it's in Garma Zabi's darker orange hue armor, green skirt, and it has three weapons. One is the machine gun, the bazooka, and the hit hawk, which is the axe at the back. You can see the color separation only has 4 colors, and there's only one part here that needed to be color separated. It needed a full sticker to get separated, and overall it has a nice color and it's well color separated. Let's check the articulation. So you can see the articulation in the hands is the usual articulation for hands. So you can swivel this side to side, up and down on the shoulder, as well as it added a joint there for the shoulder armor, and for the elbows you could do the usual up and down, and then for the hands you could rotate the hands. The odd thing about this is that the joint at the elbow, you can actually do it a little forward than the usual. So it's odd, and I don't know the reason why. If you know the reason why, just leave it in the comments. And then for the feet, you can do the range of motion for most of the feet. From the hip, you can actually do it side to side, frontward and backward. And then for the knee, it's the same thing. So you could do the usual pose that you could do for Gunplas. The one thing that hinders it from movement is the coils. Sometimes it actually hinders the knee movement because it's extending the coils. But other than that, it's okay. You could just move it a little bit to give it some space to move the knees. And then for the feet, the joint here is actually odd because you could overextend it. I don't know why. Again, leave it in the comments. So what's the reason why? But you could do the range of motion, tilt it up and down. You'd actually forward it a little bit, and then just tilt it side to side too. Now for gimmicks, I would consider the weapons as part of the gimmick because you could use it for pose and setups. And it has 3 weapons. Including that weapon are another set of arms, which is the trigger hands, which has the trigger inside the weapon, as well as the usual arms that are closed. Another gimmick is the skirt, so you can move the skirt forward and backward, or you can open it, the front skirt and the side skirt, to actually open them like that, then just close them like so. But for the back skirt, you cannot actually move it or open it, which makes sense because you don't have anything that could bump the skirt at the bottom. Unlike the skirt from the side and the front, which get bumped whenever you move the feet. One of the gimmicks here is that at the back you could actually open a latch where you can put the bazooka in it, so you could actually display it here when not being used. Which is really cool. So as you can see, you could actually pose it like this. And then for cleanliness, it's pretty much clean with the usual joint line here, but other than that, it's okay. You also have the joint line on all the weapons that you could remove by sanding or filling them. But other than that, it's just minimal when it comes to cleaning this model kit. Well, there's a lot of stuff that you need to fill and remove if you need to modify it or repaint this model. It's pretty clean compared to other models with a lot of mod lines. We're gonna give this kit a score of 18 for color separation, and for articulation it's 16, 13 for gimmicks, and 18 for cleanliness, with a total score of 65, which makes this kit as a C rank kit on our rating system. It was a lot of fun building this model kit, and because of that I'm gonna give it 2-star for building difficulty, which is still suitable for beginners that wants to get into Gunpla. So with that, try to find this model kit and enjoy building it. If you really like this content, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and thank you for watching.